Hey everyone, welcome back to mksenglish.com's Advanced Ears. I'm Mark, and today's lesson is all about describing people's characters and personalities. In other words, how to talk about what someone's really like. So if you've ever wanted to describe a friend, a coworker, a family member, or even yourself in clear, natural English, this episode's for you. Let's jump in. Knowing how to describe people accurately helps you in everyday conversations, storytelling, job interviews, and even dating. Instead of saying, she's nice, you'll be able to say things like, she's outgoing, generous, and even supportive. Sounds better, right? Let's start with some personality vocabulary. I'll give you the word, the meaning, and an example sentence. For positive traits, we can use reliable. That means you can count on them. For example, Tom is so reliable, he's never late. Or we can use generous. Generous means likes to give and share. For example, she's generous with her time and money. We can also use outgoing. Outgoing people are friendly and social. For example, my cousin's super outgoing. She talks to everyone. With negative or challenging traits, we can say stubborn. Stubborn is someone who doesn't want to change their mind. I can be a little stubborn sometimes. Lazy. Someone who's lazy doesn't like to work. Oh my god, look at that dog. He's so lazy. And bossy. Someone who's bossy is always telling other people what to do. The picture on that team is so bossy. Okay, so now it's your turn. Think of someone you know, a friend, a family member, coworker, or even yourself, and try to describe their personality using 2 or 3 words from today's list. I'll go first. My friend Aya is outgoing, thoughtful, and a little bit moody when she's stressed. Great job. Let me tell you a quick story using some of today's vocabulary. When I moved into a new apartment, my roommate Julia seemed very outgoing and generous. She even helped me unpack. But later, I realized she was a little bossy and moody too. Still, she was reliable and helped me become more confident. Did you catch all those traits? That's how we can use this kind of language in real life. Okay, so let's do a quick review. For positive traits, we have words like reliable, generous, creative, supportive. And negative traits, selfish, lazy, bossy, etc. Okay, so here's your challenge. Today, try to describe 3 people in your life using personality words. And if you're feeling brave, describe yourself too. Put it in the comments section of this video. I'd love to see what you write. That's it for today's episode of Advanced Ears. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, subscribe, or follow, depending on where you're listening. Also, again, check out the full course on our website for vocabulary sheets, grammar, and quizzes. Until next time, stay thoughtful, stay curious, and keep learning English the fun way at mksenglish.com. Bye for now.